Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track.
Lynda made the cake for my wedding. It was beautifully decorated and tasted even better. Everyone at the reception was talking about how delicious it was, and Lynda's wonderful to work with. The cake tasting was so much fun, and she made the whole experience stress-free. I highly recommend Lynda for any bride and groom.
We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in turn, we receive incredible loyalty. See, and you'll be amazed. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.